Imagine never sleeping again, not for a month, not for a week, not for a year, but forever. No rest, no dreams, no recharge. Like your body is running on a battery that never recharge. Sounds like a plot of a horror movie, right? But for a girl, it was a real life. This is a story of a girl who never slept in her life, and this story teaches that how fragile and how strong our mind actually is. So yeah, boom guys, it's me Abdan. In this video, I'm going to tell you that why your 3 a.m. one more episode is Loki destroying you. So watch till end. So the girl we are talking about is Shirley Manson, though her name is not clear anywhere because her medical records were so rare. So it is not given anywhere what's her perfect name, what's her exact name, but it is Shirley Manson something. And the disease she had was fatal familial pneumonia, or we can call it FFI. Sounds dramatic, right? It is actually dramatic. Actually, FFI is a genetic disease. It means that it carry out from parent to parent, generation to generation. And in this disease, one tiny mutated part of our brain, which is called TRNM, switches to thalamus part of your brain. Thalamus is a part of your brain which is responsible for your sleeping schedule, your sleeping control, and everything related to sleep is controlled by thalamus part of your brain. And when this happens to you, you will lose your ability to sleep permanently, forever. Not just you, but your generation to generation will lose ability to sleep. Actually, when this happens, first you will feel restless, like intense insomnia. Then your heartbeat will rise, your body will sweat more, your temperature will rise, and then after a month, you will feel actually hallucinations. You cannot distinguish that what is happening. Your body will actually wake up. Of course, you can't sleep, but your brain wants to sleep. Your brain will be dreaming, even though you are not actually dreaming. You won't be sleep forever, but still your brain will be dreaming, because we really think that dream are just meant to be बस ऐसे ही, but actually it is not. Dreaming is very important. Dreaming, there are so many reasons why we dream, and there are so many important things that happen while we are dreaming. So it is a very important thing, and that is why we won't sleep, we won't dream. And dreaming is a very important part of our life. We don't even think about it that much, but it is actually more important than you and me think. So technically you won't be sleeping, but your brain still anyhow starts dreaming. Your brain anyhow start connecting the dots, and this is what actually break the barrier, actually collapse the barrier between reality and your dream. And that is why we feel so intense level of hallucination if we won't sleep for continued 2 months, and your hormones will go wild, your blood pressure will go spike, and this is actually how you will just die. No curse, nothing. You will die of pure exhaustion because of this. Like, imagine never sleeping for few months and you will be die forever. Of course, everyone die forever. And you know what? There is no cure, no medicine, no therapy, nothing like that for this disease. If you have this disease, this will end up you worse than you can think. So next time you say that, oh my god, I just got 5 hours of sleep today, remember Shirley. And that is why we should always thankful of what we have, right? So this was the story of Shirley Manson, and this is how she ended up. But you know what? We don't need actually that disorder to feel that mini version of Shirley Manson and what she went through. We just need 2 a.m. scroll. Okay, let's break it down. Actually, you don't sleep because you want to sleep. You sleep because you need to sleep. Sleeping is not just rest. It's actually maintenance of your brain. While we sleep, there are two main things happen in our brain. And I have heard so many stupid saying that आई स्लीप बिकॉज आई फेल्ट स्लीपी, या तो मैं सोती ही नहीं हूँ, मैं तो सोती ही नहीं हूँ, मुझे तो नींद ही नहीं आता, तो इसमें कुछ कूल नहीं है एक्चुअली। जब ये कोई ये बोलता है आपसे कि मुझे नींद नहीं आता, मैं पूरी रात जागती हूँ, सो एक्चुअली इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस थिंग. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट you should flex. It's actually something you need to work on. So there are two main things happen जब हम सो रहे होते हैं. First is removal of toxin. In our brain there are many waste part that is needed to be removed from our brain. So when we sleep, that waste removed from our brain, which is also called glymphatic system. So this is why sleeping is important. Second reason why sleeping is important is जब हम सो रहे होते हैं, जब हमारा REM सिस्टम वर्क कर रहा होता है, तो हमारे ब्रेन से जितने भी ब्रेन में जितने भी इमोशन है, जितने भी पजल हैं, जितने भी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम कॉन्शियसली सोचते हैं, वो अनकॉन्शियसली हमारा ब्रेन जो है डॉट्स को कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करता है. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है जो ऑफकोर्स हम दिन में सोचते रहते हैं, तो रात में जब हम सो रहे होते हैं तो हमारा अनकॉन्शियस ब्रेन, अनकॉन्शियस माइंड उन सारी चीजों को डॉट को कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करता है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई स्लीपिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक इमेजिन आप सोए नहीं और अगले दिन आप ऐसे ही जा रहे हो और आप बोल रहे हो कि आज तो मैं सोई नहीं हूँ. इट मीन्स दैट you don't let your brain clean the garbage in your brain. You don't let your brain think about all those things you thought previous day. So it is very something you should not proud of at all. And this is why जब हम अच्छे से नींद नहीं ले पाते हैं पूरी रात, so we feel foggy, we feel irritating, angry and emotional. So and we feel कि कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या कर रहे हैं. हम सुबह उठ के टूथपेस्ट लेकर सोच रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ, राइट? सो इट हैपेंस बिकॉज हम पूरी रात सोते ही नहीं है. सो इट इज फार मोर डेंजरस देन वी थिंक. And long sleep deprivation can cause memory loss, hormonal imbalance, anxiety, depression, and so many things, even early aging. And even not a long deprivation of sleep, even if you miss your one day sleeping schedule, it means that you ruined your 7 days. It means you ruined your 1 week, because it is equals to you eat junk food continuously 7 days. If you miss your 1 day sleeping schedule, it is equals to your whole week eating junk food. So no sleeping does not make anyone look cool. It make you a highly productive zombie, nothing else. But why do we even need to sleep? As I said in the beginning of video, or in the story of Shirley, that Shirley started hallucinating, right? So actually dreams are not just a random nonsense. Dreams are something that makes own story, right? When we sleep we dream, right? So जब हम सपना देखते हैं, when we dream, actually our fear, our guilt, our regret, our junk emotions and everything connect dot, and everything make a symbol own self. Our brain start making symbols, our brain start making stories of our regret, fear, emotion and everything, right? So this is why sleeping is so important. And it is not just a random nonsense. We think कि अगर हम सो रहे हैं या हम सपना देख रहे हैं, स्पेशली सपना देखना, क्योंकि many people don't know that how important dreaming is, और मैंने ये पहले भी बोला था, because actually dreaming is something that makes you to understand yourself better, not in a consciously way but in unconscious way. It actually help us. It is like therapying your own self, therapying your unconscious self, which is very important. So when this important process stop, your brain start glitching. It loses its grip on reality. Our brain forgot that what is reality, what is what we imagined, and what is feeling anymore. It completely forget, can't distinguish between any of them. And even though neuroscientists have found that if your REM is not working, your REM system in your brain is not working for continuously 3 days, it means that you will feel hallucination, you can hear voices, you can see like different colors, and these all kind of things. So Shirley's story is not something that we should, even though feeling thinking about that what if we won't sleep is actually dangerous. So now let us understand a bit of stages while we sleep. Actually there are two main stages and I have already made a video on it. I guess I will put the link of that video in description. You can watch if you want. Let me make you understand also in this video that there are two parts in our brain. One is NREM, which is non-rapid eye movement. Non-rapid eye movement is when you are sleeping peacefully and your muscles are relaxed. You are so peaceful, like so deeply peacefully you are sleeping. Your heartbeat is calm and like a normal, and you are sleeping nicely. So it is non-rapid eye movement sleep. And REM is rapid eye movement. Rapid eye movement is when your brain is hyperactive, and this is when you start dreaming. In rapid eye movement, we control our emotions in not of course conscious way, but subconsciously we actually process our thoughts, control emotions. Basically your brain is hyperactive and we do all those things that we think we did consciously, but actually we are unconsciously working on it when we sleep. And in every 90 minutes our rhythm changes. सबसे पहले REM, then NREM, rapid eye movement, non-rapid eye movement. So it's like a rhythm. In every 90 minutes they both change one by one, and both are very important. If one will miss, it means that your body will feel something is missing. If both are missing, your whole soul will feel that something is missing. So both are very important, and both of course when we sleep both change after 90 minutes. Guys, believe me when I'm saying that sleeping is very important. Actually there was also an experiment I want to tell you. Rat experiment. Actually scientists put rat in a cage, and वो जो rats say they did not sleep for 2 or 1 month I guess, and under few months, 2 months of course, under 2 months they died. Not from hunger, not from dehydration, but from no sleep. They died. So this shows that sleeping is far more important and very important, very very important. Actually biological, if we see, so sleeping is more important than actually eating, hunger. And yes, FFI proves it that sleeping is more important than we think. Like imagine you never sleep in your life. Shirley was the one. And I know that, and we all know that we live in a world that glorifies hustle, that says that oh my god, sleeping is a weak, or sleeping, I will sleep when I'm dead. But it's all a rubbish, a nonsense, because sleeping is what we need, and our brain is not any machine. It is actually a very calm and a very systematic thing that need break, rest and silence, and this is what sleeping continues. So yeah, we need to sleep. We need to sleep. It's not what we want, it's what we need. So guys, I really hope that next time when someone comes to you and told you that sleeping is a waste of time, you will tell them that it's not the waste, but it's the actually time your brain remembers who you are, right? So this is all for today's video. I hope you liked it video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I hope you liked it. I tried to actually cover all the important things that is related to sleep. Let me know if you want more these kind of videos. Bye. Subscribe.